Ever felt like your business is a runaway train? You've got leads pouring in, estimates flying out, and jobs scattered everywhere. It's like trying to juggle chainsaws while riding a unicycle. Well, what if I told you there's a secret weapon to tame this chaos? It's called pipeline. Now, you might be thinking, pipeline? Isn't that something oil companies use? And you'd be partly right. In the world of Housecall Pro, pipeline is your very own oil refinery, transforming raw leads into golden jobs. But how does it work? Let's dive in. Imagine your business as a river. Leads are the raindrops falling from the sky. Some evaporate, others form tiny streams. Pipeline is the dam that collects these streams, directs their flow, and transforms them into a mighty river of revenue. At its core, pipeline is a visual board. It's like a command center for your business. You see every lead, estimate, and job in one place. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire operation. No more digging through spreadsheets or playing detective to find that one missing estimate. But it's not just about seeing everything. Pipeline is smart. It knows when to send reminders, when to follow up, and even when to celebrate a closed deal. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps and always has your back. Let's talk about the magic of automation. Pipeline isn't just a pretty face. It's a workhorse. You can set up automatic actions based on where a lead or estimate is in the pipeline. Need to send a thank you email after an estimate is accepted? No problem. Want to schedule a follow-up call if an estimate is declined? Done. And the best part? Pipeline is flexible. You can customize it to fit your business. Want to add more stages to your pipeline? No problem. Need to change the color of a status? Easy peasy. It's your pipeline, your rules. Now, let's talk about the impact pipeline can have on your business. More closed deals, faster. Happier customers because you're always on top of things. Less stress for you and your team. It's like upgrading from a manual transmission to a self-driving car. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real-life heroes who've harnessed the power of pipeline. Insert testimonials or case studies here. So there you have it. Pipeline isn't just a tool. It's a game changer. It's the secret sauce that can transform your business from a chaotic mess to a well-oiled machine. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, a well-managed pipeline is the key to a thriving business.